Your first funnel challenge review. Inside this video, I'm going to be breaking down your first funnel challenge by Russell Brunson and Clickfunnels. This is a 5-day free challenge that's brought to you by Clickfunnels, and it's going to teach you how to create your first online funnel and launch your business. All you have to do is just enter in your email and click on join your first funnel challenge for free, and you get this course absolutely free. Now, something that's really cool about your first funnel challenge is they actually have a special guest, and that's Daymond from the Shark Tank. So he's actually going to be appearing in your first funnel challenge, and you get to learn from him as well as Russell Brunson. And if you scroll down here, you see a bunch of other different guests that are going to be speaking inside of this 5-day free event. You have people like Steve Larson, Daymond, Aline Wilder, Stacy and Paul Martino, lots of big names in the online business niche. And throughout this 5-day challenge, you're going to learn how to create and launch your first funnel online. Inside day one, you're going to learn about funnel hacking. So you're going to learn how to basically copy other people's funnels for yourself. You're going to learn how to ethically steal what's working and how to use it in your own funnel. You're also going to learn what type of funnel is right for you. And there's going to be tons of different examples, all of them inside of the finance niche, e-com niche, coaching, info products, biz op, and so many more different kinds of niches and funnels. And then inside of day number 2, this is going to be where you create your first funnel. You're going to learn how to create the single greatest funnel that attracts customers to you. And then afterwards, they're going to show you how to create headlines that make your customers pay attention to what you have to offer. And then lastly, they're going to teach you how to do 5 core emails that you must use and your follow-up for your first funnel. Moving on, in day number 3, we have hook, story, and offer. This is where Russell Brunson is going to teach how to find a unique hook that no one else is doing so that you stand out from your competition. Then you're going to learn how to create a story that resonates with your audience. And that's really important if you want your audience to know, like, and trust you. Creating that story and wording that story will bring you lifelong customers. And lastly, why big ideas are not big enough and how to position your offer based on what your customers are already thinking. Day number 4, they're going to teach you how to write and create irresistible ads to send traffic to your funnel. You're going to learn how to crush it on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok with video ads, and that's all going to be inside day number 4. Now remember, this training is completely free, so you're getting all of this just for signing up for your first funnel challenge. And then lastly, day number 5 is called Do It Now, and that's where they're going to show you how to launch your actual funnel and launch your business. That's when you're going to learn from Daymond, and you're going to also learn how to stack your offer the correct way to earn the most amount of money from your customers. They're also going to be giving you free bonuses for joining up for your first funnel challenge. Bonus number 1 is going to be a virtual event with the world's greatest funnel builders. So you have people like Grant Cardone, Russell Brunson himself, Travis Chambers. So lots of big names are going to be inside of this virtual event. And then bonus number 2 is going to be make sales even if you don't have a product, and that's going to be by Anthony Morrison, and they're going to teach you how to do affiliate marketing inside of this bonus. And then bonus number 3 is going to be special funnel install sessions. They're going to teach you how to plug in your copy and your offer into any funnel and learn how to use that funnel in order to get sales. What's crazy is that they're giving away all this value for 100% free. They're not charging for any of this. But there will, however, be one upgrade inside of the funnel here. So after you put in your email address to get your free course, there's going to be this option here to upgrade to VIP status. And inside VIP status, you get tons of extras. So you get a 30-day free trial of Clickfunnels 2.0. So not very many people have access to this. There's only 1,000 spots available. So you get to have access to Clickfunnels 2.0 as well as your first funnel challenge. You also get lifetime access to all of the trainings. They're going to give you a link so that you can access all of those trainings, and then you get your VIP welcome kit. That's a 30-day book, that's a funnel hacker's cookbook, and a funnel hacker t-shirt included in the VIP status. You also get more free bonuses offered from Russell Brunson and Clickfunnels. So if you want to upgrade to VIP, then you can put in all of your information here, put in your t-shirt size here, and you get all of that VIP status for $29.95. Now, if you choose to upgrade to the VIP status by using my link down below this video, then I'm going to be offering you some bonuses for your first funnel challenge. These are going to be 3 different bonuses of my own. These are 3 courses that I created. There's over 20 hours worth of content in these 3 courses, and you're going to learn different kinds of side hustles for absolutely free if you decide to join the VIP status from the link down below this video. Bonus number 1 is going to be affiliate equation. This is over 7 hours of affiliate marketing training. I usually charge $86 for this course, but I'm giving it away for free as a bonus for your first funnel challenge. There's over 25 step-by-step video lessons on how to use social media in order to get sales with affiliate marketing. And then bonus number 2 is going to be Print That Profits. This is my print on demand course. I started making money online with print on demand, and this is where I walk you through over 6 hours of content teaching you how to do print on demand using Amazon. I typically charge $65 for this, but you get it for absolutely free when you sign up for your first funnel challenge VIP. And then lastly, Twitter Affiliate Masterclass. This is over 5 hours of Twitter affiliate marketing training. I have used Twitter to make a full-time income online for the last 2 years now, and I normally charge $47 for this course, but I'm giving it away absolutely free for people who choose the VIP section over here on your first funnel challenge. Now, at the end of the funnel, you're going to see a page that looks like this, and this is your confirmation. They send everything over to your email address, and if you scroll down and you decided to choose the VIP access, then you will get an email that gives you free access to Clickfunnels 2.0 for 30 days. You can play around with Clickfunnels 2.0 and use it while you are doing the first funnel challenge. You will also get access to a private Zoom with Russell and Daymond that will take place during the first funnel challenge. And this is where you're going to sign up for the private Zoom meeting. This is for VIP members only. You get to click on that link and sign up for that Zoom meeting. You also get access to a private Facebook group that's going to walk you step by step through how to do the first funnel challenge. Currently, there's over 8,000 members inside of this private group. You get to interact and ask questions with all the different members inside of your first funnel challenge. So that is everything that you get inside of your first funnel challenge. It is a lot of content and a lot of step-by-step training through live videos, and you're going to learn how to launch your first funnel and attract your ideal customers. So if you want to join your first funnel challenge, go ahead and check out the link down below this video. All you have to do is just enter in your email address and click on join the first funnel challenge, and you will have access to all the content that I showed you inside of this video. Now, if you decide to upgrade to a VIP status, then you will get access to all of my bonuses that I showed you previously inside this video. Affiliate equation, which is going to teach you step-by-step affiliate marketing. Print That Profits, which is my print on demand course. And then lastly, Twitter Affiliate Masterclass, over 5 hours of training teaching you how to paste links onto Twitter and make money. Thanks for checking out my review of your first funnel challenge. I hope you get as much information and knowledge as I have gotten through going through the initial steps of this challenge. And if you're interested in more content from me, go ahead and check out the videos that are coming up on the screen now. My name is David, and I create content all about making money online, how to do affiliate marketing, and different kinds of side hustles. So if you're into that kind of stuff, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see all of you guys inside of my next video.